Look at the gold around you. Maybe it's a ring on your finger, a necklace, or the tiny bits inside the phone you're holding right now. It looks ordinary, but here's the strange truth, that gold should not exist on Earth at all. We can make many things around us. We can grow wood, manufacture plastic, and forge steel in powerful furnaces. But gold is different. We cannot realistically create it in a lab, and even the intense heat inside Earth's core is nowhere near strong enough to form it. So this raises a fascinating question. If our planet didn't make gold, then where did it actually come from? To find the answer, we have to leave Earth, travel beyond the solar system, and look at some of the most violent events in the universe. The mystery starts with gold's atomic structure. On the periodic table, gold has the symbol Au and an atomic number of 79. That means every atom of gold contains 79 protons packed tightly into its nucleus. And that number is the challenge. Right after the universe began, almost everything was simple. There was mostly hydrogen, with 1 proton, and helium, with 2. To build something as heavy as gold, those small atoms must be smashed together with enormous energy so they fuse into larger elements. Stars do this constantly. Our sun, for example, is turning hydrogen into helium right now through nuclear fusion. But even stars have limits. A star like the sun will never get hot enough to create extremely heavy elements. In fact, iron is the final stop for most stars. Iron contains 26 protons, and once a star starts producing iron, it is close to the end of its life. Beyond iron, fusion no longer provides energy, so the star cannot keep building heavier elements. That means ordinary stars cannot produce gold. For many years, scientists believed that supernovas, the huge explosions that happen when massive stars die, were responsible for creating gold. And they do produce some heavy elements. But more recent discoveries revealed something even more dramatic. The real source involves one of the strangest objects in the universe, the neutron star. A neutron star is the collapsed core of a dead star. It is so dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. Now imagine 2 of these objects orbiting each other, pulled together by gravity, moving faster and faster as they spiral inward. Eventually, they collide. This collision is called a kilonova, and for a brief moment, the conditions become extreme beyond imagination. Temperatures reach billions of degrees, and atomic nuclei are bombarded with neutrons at incredible speeds. This process is known as rapid neutron capture, or the R process. It allows atoms to quickly grow heavier and heavier, forming some of the rarest elements in the universe. In just seconds, a single neutron star collision can create an amount of gold equal to several entire Earths. The explosion then blasts that gold out into space, scattering it across the galaxy. But that leads to another question. If gold was created in deep space, how did it end up here on Earth? To understand that, we need to go back more than 4 billion years. When Earth first formed, it was a molten ball of rock and metal. Gold is extremely heavy and strongly attracted to iron, so most of the gold originally present sank straight down into the planet's core. In fact, scientists believe there is still enough gold in Earth's core to coat the entire surface of the planet in a thick layer, but that gold is far too deep for us to reach. The gold we use today arrived later. Around 4 billion years ago, the solar system experienced a period known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. During this time, countless asteroids crashed into the young Earth. Many of those asteroids contained gold that had formed long ago in distant neutron star collisions. When they struck our planet, they delivered that cosmic gold into Earth's crust. Over millions of years, geological processes moved and concentrated this gold into veins within rocks, where humans eventually discovered and mined it. So every gold ring, every gold coin, and every tiny piece of gold in electronics came from ancient asteroids that hit Earth billions of years ago. And those asteroids carried material that was created even earlier, during the violent collision of 2 dead stars somewhere in the universe. Which means the gold you can hold in your hand is far more than just a valuable metal. It is a piece of cosmic history, a survivor of an explosion that happened billions of years before Earth even existed.